Hi guys, welcome back to Selfless Chemist, and today we're gonna learn how to name any molecule. And by the end of this lesson, we'll be super good with naming the molecule. Definitely. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna write any random molecule so that we can learn how to name it. So to name the any molecule, we always need to show that which elements are present and how many atoms of that elements are present. So we use the prefix to show how many atoms are present and use the name of element to show that which element is present, right? Okay, and so prefix, write the name of the first element and then another prefix to show the how many second elements are present, like how many atoms of the second element are present, right? So the prefix and then the name of the second element. But here is the twist: the name of second element always ends with IDE. So we're gonna learn it no ways. So before naming these elements, let's just learn a little more about the prefixes. Okay, so if we have a one atom of any element, so we call it mono. If we have two atoms, we call it di. 3 is called tri, 4 is called tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, and 10 deca. You can take a screenshot as well. Okay, so now let's get back to the point. Alright, so first thing first, use the prefix to show how many atoms are present. So 2 atoms are present, di. And what is the name of this element? You can go and check in the periodic table. Nitrogen. Great. Dinitrogen. Okay, how many second atoms of the second elements are present? 5. We're going to use the prefix penta, right? Dinitrogen, penta, and what is the name of the second element? Oxygen, right? So oxygen. But we said that the second element always ends with I. So we need to replace the ending with the suffix IDE every time. So what's gonna be the final name now? The final name of this compound is dinitrogen pentoxide. So did you see how easily we name that super hard compound, like molecule? It appears to be hard, but that's not actually. Okay, so let's just move on to some more examples. Okay, before moving on to the next example, I want to tell you about something about this prefix mono. There's something special about this prefix that it is never used for the first element. Even we have the one element atom of the first element. For example, if there was a one nitrogen, we would have never called it mononitrogen. We would always call it nitrogen only. All right. So with this knowledge, let's just move on to the second another example. Okay, SO2. This is please go to the periodic table and check what is the name of this element. Sulfur. Great. Okay, so you have a one sulfur, but we said we can never use the mono prefix for the first elements. We're not gonna say it monosulfur. So it's a sulfur alone. How many oxygens? Two. So we're gonna say di, and the second element always ends with I. So di oxide. So this molecule is called sulfur dioxide. Now let's just move on to another one, PCl3. Okay, now you're gonna help me with it. First thing first, what is the name of the first element? Great, phosphorus. Okay, so how many phosphorus atoms is present? One. We're not gonna use the mono prefix here because it's prohibited. Okay, the chlorine atoms. How many chlorine atoms we have? Three. So we're gonna say tri. Phosphorus tri, and chlorine ends with the suffix IDE. So we write phosphorus trichloride, right? That's how we name literally anything. Okay, now I'm gonna write another super hard looking molecule which is not gonna be hard for you anymore. So P5O10. Alright, so what's the name of this molecule? Okay, what's the name of this element? Phosphorus. Great. Phosphorus. How many phosphorus are there? Five. Penta, phosphorus, alright, DACA, oxide. Great. So super easy, right? So that is all for the today's lesson, and that's how you can literally name any molecule. So if you want to learn how to name the ionic compounds, so you can comment below, and I will make another video about that. So thank you for being with me, and if you want to literally anything, you can comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.